Hello everyone. So today's video is gonna be following a makeup tutorial video, and this is what I've created. What I'm doing is I'm following along with a Nikkie tutorials video. So it's gonna be a hard one for me because I literally have like one go-to look. Like, actually, I say one, two. I have a daytime look and an evening time look, and I never ever change the colours, never ever switch up. Maybe if I'm on holiday, I'll go for like a bright colour, but then think, oh, I shouldn't have done that. It looks silly. But yeah, I'm going to venture out and try and copy a tutorial from Nikkie's tutorials. So here goes. I don't understand how her skin is just so perfect.
I'm so excited. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and
She looks that good at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Let's
Shush, phone, shush.
The first color I'm going to go in with is tan.
Okay, so she's going in with like a, she calls it a tan colour. She's using like a fluffy brush. So I'm going to go in with this brush, which kind of looks similar to her one. And I'm just going to dip into that like she does. She does. Oh, that's kind of dark. Right, we need some darkness to it. So she's just like packing it onto the outer corner. So I'm going to do that. She like pushes it in. Her colours on her videos look so bright, and I don't understand why. How does she do it? How do you do it, Nikkie? And she's gonna go ahead and do the other one. She only does one on her videos, and I don't know how she does one eye and then the other eye. Like, I have to do them at the same time, otherwise one looks completely different to the other. Okay, pack it on. Okay, let's see what she does.
It's all about the blending.
A clean, fluffy brush, and sort of like blends out the edges. And this one's not very clean. Buffs out the edges of it, but when I buff it out, it just buffs out the whole thing. Why does hers? I think she has bigger eyelids than me. I think that's what it is. I feel like I don't have much room on my eyelid. She makes such a perfect like straight line. She's so clever. Oh, that's so pretty. I need this palette so bad. Oh, I don't have that reddy colour. Oh, actually I do. I have something pretty similar. So I'm going to use this one up here. Okay, so I'm going to use this beaten up brush because it's a very good brush to use actually. And she's packing that right next to that colour that she's just did, so I'm going to do that next to this colour. Okay, so mine's kind of pink. How does hers go in a triangle? I don't know. How do you do it, Nikkie? How do you do it? We're gonna keep going. Never give up. Never give up on the good things. That's what makes you happy. Okay, okay, okay. How do you do it? Please tell me. So her eyeshadows are like way more pigmented than mine, but we're just gonna roll with it. Maybe one day I'll get myself a Morphe palette, and then I could be just like you, Nikkie. Oh, pretty.
Very pigmented copper shimmery.
And what's she doing with this?
The lid blending into fire.
Oh, pretty. Okay, so she's then going to this inner corner bit with that coppery colour. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll take that. That's alright. I don't know how she makes her so perfect. She's so clever. Do you know what? I'm quite proud of myself. This isn't looking too bad, you know. Okay, so she blends that into that. Now what does she do? No, stop! You're going too quickly. Nikkie, you need to wait around for us beginners. Wait, Nikkie, wait. Yep. Yep. Okay, right, what did she just do? Blending. Blendy, blendy. Give me some blendy brush. This is how I clean my brushes. Cool, 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 cool. So then she like blends out. Look how much fallout I have everywhere. Why doesn't she have that? Like blend out these edges. Now I want to go out and buy that Morphe palette because yours looks way much better than mine. Mine just looks like a washed out version of yours. What did we do after we blendy blendy?
It's looking a little bit weak, so let's intensify it using
Weak.
chestnut. Just packing it on, blending it out,
Packing it on, blending it out, packing it on, blending it out. Pick some sort of browny colour. Let's take an eyebrow product, shall we? Let's just use the blending brush that we need to clean. Well done, Sarah. Not too bad.
Blending it out, baby. Same brush
What?
a smash box.
What are we putting underneath?
Blending it out. Smoky, baby. Same brush
Smoky,
going in
baby.
with
Shh. Wait. She is Speedy Gonzales. How did she go so quick? Ow. That is all in my eyeball. Okay, that's what she does. Now what does she do? What does she do? What does she do? Back up, back up, back up.
baby. Same brush
Smoky,
going
baby.
in with tan.
Okay, so like a brownie colour. Now she's taking that in the middle part of the eyeball. The under eyeball. Hurry up, Nikki, hurry up.
Pure on the inner third of the lower lash line.
Champagne colour. On here. I always open my mouth because I feel like it stretches my eyes out more. I feel like I shouldn't do that though because I look like an absolute idiot. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
And you know, somehow I just want more.
More?
So going in with the black,
I'm going to fit more on my eyes. I have a black.
More. Now let me tell you, this black.
I feel like a black's gonna ruin everything I've just done.
My absolute
Whoa,
all-time.
that was way too quick. I think she just like taps a bit of black in here to lighten it up. I mean, lighten it up with the black. Yeah, alright. Darken it up a bit. Why did we go for more, Nikki? Tell me why. She was quick.
This is Festive Gold by Melchior Cosmetics. And this is
She has
on
such
the
pretty
corners
stuff.
like this.
Ooh. Oh, clean brush. She's going on the inner corner with it. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, that is so pretty. Yes. Okay, right. Her line. Does she like use tape or something? Because her line is like so perfect. Whoa. Them lashes she's gonna be using, they are big lashes. What? Them lashes are huge. Okay, so I don't really suit big eyelashes and I don't really have any big eyelashes. So I'm gonna put on these ones, which are Revlon Volumized lashes. Okay, right, I'm gonna go put these eyelashes on and then I'll be back because I need the big mirror to do it and all I've got is this. I thought I was really good at putting eyelashes on like about 2 years ago because I used to wear them like all the time, but they still don't fit my eyes properly. I did cut them as well, like trim the ends off of them as well, but still. And now my eyes are really sore and they probably look hideous, like I've been crying. I look like Bloodshot Mary. Okay, we're gonna carry on. I'm gonna wait for you, Nikki. While she's like talking about the palette, she's putting on some bronzer and some highlighter, so I'm gonna whack that on quickly. Whack a bit of that on. Oh yeah.
The low emoji right next to my Snapchat.
Oh. Right, so she's using like a really dark, deep red. Okay, so she's using like a dark red, reddy brown liquid lipstick. So, oh my goodness. And she's just going straight in there, like she's a pro. She don't even need lip liner. So I feel like this is gonna go crazy wrong. She literally just goes, oh yeah. Whoa, that's kind of, oh, okay, it's pretty, wow, that's pretty similar. God, how is she doing this so easily? Okay, so massive apologies for the very untidy lipstick.
Enough. I'm going in with
But she's going extra.
Everlasting Glimmer Veil.
What? It's like Dorothy's shoes.
Oh my god.
So I don't have a reddy one like that, but I do have this like purpley mauvey colour that's just like quite metallic. And I wish I had that because that is very pretty. But let's just put this over the top. Ooh, I've smudged it. Okay, so that's a completely different colour to the one that she's put on. Oh, hers looks so good.
That's what my heart is feeling too. Alright, setting spray and we're done.
Setting spray. Let's do it like she does it. I'm not like this. Have a look, let's see what we're looking at. Well done, Nikki, you did a good job. Me, on the other hand, kind of just recreated a more advanced version of what I normally do for my makeup. But this is the final look. This is the look I have created with Nikkie's tutorials, and I actually really like the eye look, and this lipstick is actually really nice. Not too bad. I thought it was going to be a lot worse, to be honest, and I thought I was going to be a big massive fail. Obviously hers looks major beautiful and intense and bright and beautiful, and she's just so good at makeup. But for like a first go at trying something different, I don't think I did too bad. It was my following makeup tutorial video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Coming up for air, nobody even cares, even though I thrash around, it seems I'm invisible.